Hi everyone, welcome back. I moved to the UK 3 years ago, but like many of you, I still have family back in my home country. And so that obviously means I'll want to transfer money between India and the UK often, for which I use Wise. Like that time when I realized in the middle of the night that I hadn't bought my parents a gift for their anniversary, so I needed to send money to my sister in India to buy her parents a gift on my behalf. And it's bound to happen when you're in a different country and there's a lot going on. But to be honest, the first time I had to make that international transfer, it was quite a challenge, and I was honestly a little worked up and nervous about it. So I figured many of you might face the same problem. So in today's video, I'll be breaking down everything you need to know on transferring money from the UK and how I recommend you send your money whenever you make a transfer. And here's the thing, it's not just India. The same holds good if you want to send money to any other country as well. Transferring money from the UK to India or any other country doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. With Wise, you benefit from transparent fees, real exchange rates, and a secure platform trusted by millions worldwide. If you're new, I'm Ashika, and I talk about moving across the world for that job or to study. And with that, let's dive in. So if you're living in the UK and you need to send money back home to family or to friends in India, or any other country for that matter, you're likely seeking a method that's fast, affordable, and reliable. Today, we'll explore the various ways to transfer money from the UK so you know what your options are. Now, the biggest problem with transferring money is reliability because there are tons of operators. But here's the thing, some of them seem really shady. And what do I mean by shady? Well, if you read their reviews on Trustpilot or Google, you'll realize that people transfer their hard-earned money across countries to loved ones, but their loved ones never received the money. Now, that either happened because it's stuck in transit, and sometimes what happens is the payment has left your bank, but it hasn't reached the recipient's bank. So there's a third party where they've either messed up or they've stolen your money. But either way, the money hasn't reached the destination, and the customer care then doesn't know how to help you. The other challenge with these companies not being reliable is sometimes something goes wrong and then these money transfer companies just stop responding to you despite your emails and your calls and your messages, and then you're stuck because you've lost your money. And yet another challenge comes with transaction fees. When transferring money, traditional banks can be not just slow, but they can also give you additional hidden charges, and then you'll end up losing a lot more in transaction fees than you expect. But on a lighter note, when it comes to transferring money internationally, there are several options available. There's bank transfers. You can do a bank transfer where you approach your banking partner and you ask them to transfer funds on your behalf. It's a traditional method, but often comes with high fees and less favorable exchange rates. So you pay the bank more in transaction fees, which obviously means you lose more money at the end of the day. Then there are the money transfer services that offer quick transfers, but again can be costly and often require you to go over to the physical offices to transfer money. So if there's an emergency in the middle of the night, or if it's something you want to get done when you've got a free moment during the weekend, it might not be your best bet. And then there are online money transfer platforms like Wise that provide a modern solution with competitive rates and transparency, and above all, extremely quick transfers. The reason why I recommend Wise, who are the sponsors of this video by the way, is because they are on an average 5 times cheaper when it comes to sending money abroad. Apart from this, they also use mid-market exchange rates, ensuring you get the most accurate and fair rate without any markups. Now, if you want to check the difference in rates for yourself, head over to this page. Assume you want to send £1,000 to your sister in India. Lucky sister. For the sender, I pick pounds, and the recipient, I pick rupees. I then enter the amount, which is £1,000, and scroll down. These are the exchange rates for today. So, if I were to transfer this today, my sister would receive far more if I choose Wise than any other provider. And you can check likewise for any other country that you might want to transfer money to. Apart from that, with Wise, you'll always know how much you're paying upfront. There are no hidden fees, and the cost is typically lower than traditional banks. And most importantly, Wise is trustworthy, which so many haven't chosen Wise in the past to send money, so you can be assured your money is safe. The best part, it's extremely easy and quick to open an account with Wise and make that transfer. And all it takes is 3 steps to send money. It's that quick. So step 1. So first off, you create a free account and choose how much money you want to send. Wise will automatically calculate and show you the transfer fees and also tell you when your money will reach the recipient. Step 2. Add the recipient's bank account details or details of whomever you want to send money to and verify your identity. And step 3. Simply then pay for your transfer. That's it. Your money has been sent across. And you can track your transfer online and the recipient will receive the money within hours. It's as simple as that. In most cases, the money gets transferred immediately. Sometimes it takes a day. That's it. Now, here's the thing. When sending money internationally, keep the following things in mind. Compare rates. Always check the currency rates and the fees of different providers to ensure you are getting the best deal. Transfer times. Be aware of how long transfers will take. While some services offer instant transfers, others might take days. So if you're in a hurry, that might not be the best bet. And ensure the platform you choose is regulated and has robust security measures in place to protect your funds. Now, remember, you can choose between how soon or how slowly you want the money to transfer, depending on how much you want to pay as transaction fees. But under no circumstances, pick a money transfer service that doesn't have good reviews, even if the rates of transfer that they are offering you are lower than everyone else, because that is quite literally how they trick people. So it's important for you to be careful. And remember, if it's too good to be true, it's most likely not. Transferring money from the UK to India or any other country doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. With Wise, you benefit from transparent fees, real exchange rates, and a secure platform trusted by millions worldwide. So if you're looking for the best way to send money to India, Wise is your go-to solution. Check my link in the description to get your first transfer free. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please share and like and subscribe for more insights on managing your finances effectively, especially if you're looking to move abroad. Once again, thanks for watching and see you next time.